All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We have a Trump trial update. As expected, the comment that was made in the Supreme Court decision a little while back about the question, Clarence Thomas made his comment about questioning the validity of the hiring of Jack Smith to handle these cases. That was jumped on by Eileen Cannon, which we all knew would happen. She has today dismissed the case. Now, never fear. This is a delay tactic. We all knew she was working for this. We all knew that was her target, to delay. Jack Smith will turn around and appeal it to the 11th Circuit. The 11th Circuit will keep him in there. Her argument for saying Jack Smith's appointment was unconstitutional quoted the U.S. versus Nixon case. U.S. versus Nixon, and then she misinterpreted and basically rewrote the actual precedence that has been used for 50 years. Now, there's a couple of different sides to this. Of course, the 11th Circuit's going to come back, Eileen Cannon's bosses, which are already waiting to basically kick her off the case. This will not only give Jack Smith the overwhelming ability to appeal the case, win the appeal, and have her kicked off the case and have a new judge appointed, which obviously puts it way beyond the election day, which is the main goal. That was the main goal this whole entire time. If applying Judge Thomas's questionable special counsel appointments, that would also apply. If that were the rule of the land, the law of the land, that would also apply to the special counsel that was appointed by Donald Trump in the Hunter Biden case. Apples and oranges, doesn't matter. Hunter Biden's case is just technicality type stuff. As for stealing classified documents, selling classified documents, sharing classified documents and nuclear secrets with people all over the world is a little bit more serious. But anyway, so as of right now, the documents case in Florida is done. She dismissed it. Appeal will be filed. It'll probably be filed this week, and it will get right up there and come right back down. So never fear, we all saw this coming, very much like the immunity case we saw coming. These specific misinterpretations at the highest level of law are part of the Heritage Foundation Donald Trump plan. This is all part of it. This was done intentionally, and this was set up from the very, very, very beginning of Trump's campaign. We need to be not okay with that, but we need to accept it as, of course, this is the way it's going. This week has been crazy with the incident in Pennsylvania with Donald Trump, the attempted offing of Donald Trump. Whole nother topic, whole nother video. It's the Trump show. And when I say show, I mean that from beginning to end, from start to finish, layer by layer. So be aware, everybody, this was all part of the plan in the beginning. And if you paid attention to every step along the way, you would know that this is where they were aiming to bring it. So they did. That's what you get for stacking the deck from the bottom all the way to the top. You get Eileen Cannon in the first level, and then you have the Supreme Court. Anything that happens in between can be passed back and forth and can be manipulated in order to get it in the hands of the Supreme Court, that are not only 100% in Putin's pocket, but 100% in the Heritage Foundation, the Republicans, and Donald Trump's pocket. Never fear on that either, ladies and gentlemen, because as long as we get blue all the way down the ticket, and we get the White House, the Senate, and the Congress, AOC's impeachment of Clarence Thomas will go through, because there is no shortage of evidence against him. Judge Alito, same thing, and also recalling and impeaching Barrett, Kavanaugh, and anyone else who lied during their appointment hearings. So stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Stay diligent, stay educated, and be kind. We are all in this together, and we need to recognize this was all manipulated by the master con man himself, with coordination of some pretty powerful friends like the Heritage Foundation, where if you take a deep dive into them, they are just a con artist set up from basement to ceiling. Justice will be served. Justice will be served. We just need to make sure that people who are applying the justice actually have America's best interests at heart. That is the problem we need to solve, and the only way to solve that is to make sure we vote. Vote blue all the way down ticket. God bless. Have a good day.